Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for 12 subscribers, I'm very grateful. So I'll celebrate with a midnight slime. Today we are going to make a midnight slime, so first you need a bowl and a spoon. Next you need some purple colour glue Elmer's. We're going to open it, the lid, and let's dump it in. Ja! Yikes! Here we go. And it's just, I can't. Ooh. I like it. Yeah. We're gonna get all that glue out, guys, to make this big slime. So guys, I think we got that all out. Now, we're gonna add some white glitter. Ooh la la. This is really hard to get out. This is really nice. Really, very nice. I'm going to mix it all in. Next of all, we need some activator. The fun part. Ooh la la. Another drop. Still mixing. I'm gonna get the whole bottle. Nope. Still mixing. This might be a fail, guys. It looks really disgusting. Oh my god, it's activated everywhere. I think it's time. Touch it. It looks really disgusting. Okay. We're gonna touch it now. Oh, this is a mess. This is not working. So here we go. Dad, this is a fail. Dad, delete the video. Oh my god. Oh no. This isn't worked. Slime cam. So guys, I think this is a bit of a fail. Because it's literally, it doesn't really stretch, see? Here it is. It smells really gluey. I think I added a bit more glue than I'm supposed to. Oops. So here it is. I'm still mixing it. Guys, I think this is a fail. I thought this would be a good slime, but turns out it isn't. So guys, how to make this slime? You need a purple magical Elmer's glue, right there. You need a little mini Elmer's activator. You need some white glitter. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, even though the slime was rubbish. If you did, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and post those notifications on. Bye! Dad, I think that was a fail!